Hello, I wanted to make a little video about a tool that I have set up in the classes now. You may notice that this class says career planning. That is not necessarily the class that you are in. It's just that I teach 3 different classes, a couple different sections of those classes. So it made more sense to just make one video for all. So it's all the same for the most part. What you're going to do is this should be fairly similar to what you see. You should see my announcements. When you scroll down, I now have a link at the bottom. It says office link. That link is there for you to use anytime you need my help with something. So if you click on this link, it should take you to Adobe Connect. Now, for me, it's going to take me directly into my room because I'm the person who owns it. I'm the one who um, has the class. So as you can see now, I have two Katie Bouldins up there. That's because one of them is the one I originally had. Oh, and there it goes. Now I just have number 2. So in this room, you probably have to sign in as a guest. I don't think any of you have an Adobe Connect account. So you should see something. It won't say share my screen, but you should see a chat box over here. And I always have this message up, shoot me a message if you need any help, or if you just want to say hi. I'm here in this room too if you just want to chit chat with me. I have no problems with that at all. If I'm not in here, if you don't see my name at the top, and you need my help with something, you can call me or text me at this number. So this is the same for all classes. So you may see some students in here that are not in your class. That doesn't necessarily mean that they can see what you're posting or what you're saying, or it doesn't necessarily mean that they're watching you. They just might be there for a different kind of help. I can activate different conversations at different times, do private conversations and things like that. So don't be worried about that. If you can, want to just come in here and post, can we have a private chat? And then I will open up one and you and I can have a private conversation about whatever it is that you would like to talk about. So I wanted to let you know this is here because a lot of you are sending me messages during the day when I have this open, and I can get to your messages a lot faster and in real time if you click on that link instead. So if you have any questions or if you have any problems with it, please let me know so that I can help you and so that I can let others know how to fix the problem. So I hope that you guys will use this. I'd really love to use it as a way to help you with some things, to help clarify things if you have any questions. So please use that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.